SafeQ is the print management software that enables you to manage access to printers, reports, and if using pay for print, the payment services. Your service provider will have installed and set up YSoft SafeQ on your servers. Let's take a look at the dashboard. The dashboard provides an instant look at your 3D print system. You can add different widgets to your dashboard to create the view you want. For now, I want to show you how to manage 3D printer users, the reports, and how pay-to-print services work. Let's start with users. In order to manage who can access the printer and to ensure that the printer doors open only to the rightful job owner, eDee requires users to enter their credentials. Your service provider will set this up for you, but as an administrator, you can add additional users or remove users. You can choose to do this in several ways: import a CSV file, replicate from LDAP, or manual entry. You may choose to do this for the entire student population or for certain classes. As the users may change by each school term, importing or LDAP synchronization is handy, whereas manual entry can be used to add new students, for example. In this screen, you can see a list of users and can manually add, edit, or delete as needed. In a similar way, 3D printers can be added. Again, your service provider will likely do this for you, but should you need to make any changes, the Devices menu is where the printer configurations are set. To monitor usage and costs, you will want to review the reports that YSoft SafeQ offers. YSoft SafeQ comes with reports already set up. You can schedule reports to be automatically generated and emailed to you, or create your own reports by date range. Typical reports include number of jobs on all printers or specific printers. You may want to report on jobs printed by a particular user. The reports indicate the amount of filament used, how long each job took to print, and the cost, if cost information is configured. Speaking of costs, you may want to provide 3D printing as a pay-to-print service. In this way, students or faculty can create prepaid accounts, and eDee will check to see if their accounts have enough funds for the job before it prints. Let me show you how it works. As an administrator, I can manage student accounts, or this can be managed by an office administrator or faculty member. Whoever you choose to manage this has the YSoft Cash Desk application on their desktop. You can set up as many cash desks as needed. If you're maintaining actual currency, the adding and subtracting is similar to a real cash register, and at the end of the day, a reconciliation with the actual currency can be done. Within a cash desk, you can accept currency deposits and print deposit receipts. In the same way, withdrawals can be made. YSoft also offers an automated payment machine where students can enter currency or use a credit card through a payment gateway, such as PayPal and other popular payment systems to add to their account. It may happen that students need a refund if their print job did not turn out as expected due to unforeseen circumstances. At the eDee printer, the student is shown a print summary of their job, like this screen, and can request a refund. When Request Refund is selected, eDee takes a photo of the 3D model and emails it to the administrator. Then, the printer door unlocks and the student is advised to take the model to the administrator. The administrator receives an email alert with the photo attached, along with details about the job owner, the printer, and the job itself. The administrator or office staff member can proceed to refund the student's account through the Cash Desk application. So, now we've covered the basic administrative tasks of managing your fleet of eDee printers. One more thing. We've talked about how YSoft SafeQ is the print management software inside of the eDee solution. But did you know that the same YSoft SafeQ license can be used to manage your 2D paper printers? With print management on 2D printers, you can manage your printing costs, create automated scan workflows, and you'll have the tools necessary to eliminate print waste and optimize your paper printer fleet. Ask your 3D print provider or contact YSoft.